some delicious curry coconut, oh god, chicken foot, guys. If you're interested in this one, come, let's do it together. We from the ghetto, you know, when we're in a fall, few things we look for, either curry chicken foot, curry chicken back, or some mackerel with white rice. So it's a snow outside, so we're gonna go with curry chicken foot. So let's get into this video. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna use is some green seasoning, 1 spoon of that. Then we are going with the Maggi chicken. Some Maggi all-purpose. I'm also using some complete seasoning. And then we are going with Betapac curry. So we're going with a little of that. I'm also using some Blue Mountain curry. Long time I not use this, so we're going with a little. And then we'll go in and combine that. Alright, so combine it nicely. And then we'll just kind of make this marinate for maybe like 15 minutes. And then start the cooking process. Okay. So while the chicken foot marinate, we are going to prepare some garlic, ginger, and pimento seeds. So we'll crush those so we can add it to the oil when we start the next process. Okay, so just prep all you need at this point. Alright, and then we have this salsa side. Alright, so we have some onion and pepper we're gonna cut up. So let's do that. I'll add it to the chicken foot. We're going with the seed and all. If you don't like spice, remove the seed from the pepper. And do it time. That's it. Alright, so now we're gonna add a little vegetable oil to the pot. We're gonna allow this to eat up a little bit, not too much. First of all, we're gonna add the garlic, ginger, and pimento seeds to the oil. And then we're gonna make a space in the middle so we can go in with more curry. Alright, now going with a spoonful of curry. And then we're gonna saute that a little. Look at that. And got some hot water. I'm gonna pour a little so we can rinse the base. Because we have to use this now. Okay, you know, curry. And then we're gonna add a little bit to the pot, not too much. You have to pay attention to the start each already. Alright. So occasionally you know just go in and check on it if it needs any water. You just go use a little tip of water, not too much, just a little bit. Alright. Next minute or so, you're going to go and check again, and we're going to do that until we're ready to add more water. But we want to start it up first. We don't want to flood it. We just want to take the time and just get it together. Alright, so we're going in again. Alright, you see, once you get that nice color now, and add our chicken to get that nice color. Alright, so about that. And then we'll cover it. You still have to watch your pot. If you don't want to watch your pot, you can go ahead, pour a lot of water in there. That's up to you. But I don't like to cook with a lot of water in my pot because I realize it tastes different. So I'm going occasionally with small amount of water, check my pot every now and so often, and add more liquid if I need to. I'm going to check this now. Yeah. So we're going to stir that, and then we're going to add some water. Usually I don't pour the water on top of my meat. I always find like a little corner spot to pour the water in, and then we just cover back that and give it another 15 minutes or so, then check again. Alright, so this a little closer. Alright, so the chicken foot not fully cooked, but we're going to go in and add a little coconut milk so it can cook down with the chicken foot. Alright, for you. Okay. Alright, we're going with the onion, some thyme, and some hot pepper. There's some peas I'm cooking up, but guess what? Kind of cooked too soft, but I still have to add some to it. Go up it now. Mess up my pot. Being mashed out in a food, it kind of look plaka kind of, so that's what I like when they try to stay whole. But oh Lord, pour a little on this, not too much. And until I cover it, it boil up. Give this 2 minutes and come back and see it look. Alright, this look like it's ready to take off. Smells good too. Alright, I'm gonna keep it on. Look more, the gravy kind of long. Oh yeah, guys. Chicken foot, some beans. Alright, so just make this go on a little tip more, and that's it. I'm gonna cover it, I'm not cover it all the way, just kind of slant it. Alright, Maggi, it's 5 minutes and come back and we'll see what I've got. Alright guys, we can go check on this. Alright. It's ready right now. So we have some curry chicken foot and beans. Ready to eat. Guys, if you've made it this far, thanks for it. Guys, if you've made it this far, don't forget to like, leave a comment, or share this video. And I'll see you guys in another one. Bye guys.